Let's change brightness on an external monitor in Windows 11, step by step. First, make sure your monitor is connected and powered on. Open Start, type Settings, and press Enter to open Windows Settings. Select System, then Display to access Screen Settings. If multiple displays appear, select your external monitor in the list. Now choose one of three methods: Windows Slider, Monitor OSD, or Graphics Driver. Method 1. Use the brightness slider under Brightness and Color. If the slider is missing, open Advanced Display Settings and choose the monitor. Method 2. Use your monitor's OSD buttons to access brightness controls. Press Menu, find Brightness, then use arrows or dial to increase or decrease. Method 3. Open your graphics control panel, Intel, Nvidia, or AMD, and adjust display brightness or color. Confirm changes, close settings, and restart apps if colors look off. You're done.